Welcome, Aquarius. It's July. Things are happening. It's exciting times. We have the total solar eclipse here on the 2nd. We are in the time right now of the dragon, the serpent, and transforming, really transforming from what is lower vibrational for us and entering into our new cycles, applying the wisdom we've learned and gained. It's okay, buddy. Devil energies. This is addiction. With the King of Swords and the Ten of Swords. And what I really feel like this message is, you're fighting the devil energies, whatever it is that you're addicted to. And remember, for everyone here who's joining me, we'll all be different as we're all on our own unique paths. But you're fighting your addictions and you are using swords energy to do so. But what happened was it didn't work out. I feel like it didn't work out the way you thought it was. I feel like you got all gung-ho, you were ready to go, your chakras were lit, you're doing sacral chakra healing, following your passions. But it just didn't end the way you wanted it to. But you did get closure. There was an ending to have a beginning. And what happened was, this actually activated your true passion, your true desire. And there's the Hierophant. You've connected to your spirituality now. That's what happened. You ended up connecting to your spirituality through this process, through the closure. And now I feel as though you've restored balance. This is about everlasting life, doing what's right for the greater good. And this is also about, I feel like, a raise in vibration that allows your chakras to flow in a way that puts you on the path to your purpose, to where you're going, to, you know, what you came here to create, what you came here to do. It's just going to allow you to transform, because we have death here, which is transition, and the Princess of Cups. And now you are following your dreams, because you did transition, you did transform, because you connected to the greater good. And there it is. There's your connection to the moon. You went within. You went within to stop fighting yourself. And it allowed you to have a new level of spirituality. You really are going to be able to combine your feminine side with your masculine side and heal. This is about healing and connecting to ancient wisdom, to be able to battle through. And we end up following our desires. And we use that Princess of Cups energy. Wow, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry if you guys can hear any noise outside. There is so much going on outside because it's so nice here. And people are just outside doing all kinds of things. And I want to get the sun sign readings out. This is going to transform even your DNA within you, this transformation. You are connected to the moon. Let's just see what's being activated. Yeah. When you switch to your King of Swords side, your male side, you tried to do something there. It just didn't work out the way you thought it would. But it was meant. It was meant to be like one of those things. It brought you closure. This is one big deck, I know. Adept of Orbs. And we're right back to sword energy here. But it's a more youthful. You can even see the more mature version of the King of Swords within the orb there. And the transformation. And I really feel like you're still thinking about this moment. You're still thinking about this moment. And I really feel like there's a very important message here. Don't. Let go. Let go of what happened here. Because it's actually not allowing you to heal from the devil energies. We want to transition here. We want to transition with help from the Hierophant. Stop battling yourself. Don't battle yourself anymore because that's not going to help you. And this is within. That's why the moon is here. This is within. This is within. This will transform you. Remember, this is such a transformation at such a deep level that your DNA changes because you're going to react differently to everything. That's how grand this transformation is. Yeah. Because now you're going to ground the energy. We're going to go from swords to earth. I really feel like this is finding the light within. Like you're going to find the light within. Because I really feel like this card is connected to this card. It's going to allow you to find the light within, and it's going to, I really feel like you're going to, through this transition, even be in a whole new environment. Yeah, the Great Wheel. This is what we talked about, the ancient moon wisdom, and I will link that down below. And this is what we're doing here. The snake is eating its own tail and it's transforming. And this is like everything is in constant motion, everything's in change, but this is expanding for the greater good. This is expanding consciousness. This is expanding with flow. It's creation of the golden ages. That's what this Great Wheel is all about. It's the creation of the golden ages. It's transitioning to create with the light. It's about self-discovery. It's about everything in the universe being, cyclical. Even us humans. Wow. Wow. But I mean, wow. We know Aquarius, you guys are humanitarians. Of course you guys are going to be the leaders in building the golden ages. You're going to evolve to help us do that. And there we go. This has to do with family. This has to do with healing with the root chakra. And this card is really all about family karma. And dealing with your family karma. Ancestral wounds even, maybe that could be a part for you. But this is healing. This is healing with family. But this whole reading speaks karma to me. This whole reading is about the balancing of the karmic scales and your karma. And that's even, I feel like it's even connected to your closure with your Ten of Swords, the ending here. Even maybe something ended, you know, and now you're moving on and you're creating a new family. Sometimes we have to let people go. It's part of our evolutionary process. And I really feel like that's the message in this card. And that's what's going to allow you to connect to your spirituality. But I really feel like there's one more message. There's just one more message. And there it is. It's this card that flew over right here. This is connected to your abundance. That's what this is about. I want to thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. July 2nd, total solar eclipse reading. Take care.